Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Coinbase to list Terra Classic Coin this year, 2023. Now remember, Coinbase have been showing support for some crypto coins, and they also promise that they will be supporting many small cap coin this year, 2023. And Terra Classic holders have been mounting pressure, asking Coinbase to partner and list Terra Classic Coin. Now, this year 2023 is going to be a bullish year for crypto industry. Like last year, I've been saying about this, that this year I can see a bullish year, and you can see this is just January, and Bitcoin have actually hit almost $23,000 for the first time since the past 6 months. That is a very big signal. We are already seeing a bullish year starting with a bullish from January. Is an impressive. I believe this year so many people will recover. A lot of people will make a lot of money that they've lost last year, which was a bearish year. Now, Terra Classic is being expected to hit over 1,000% increase in price. Now, with Coinbase and Binance, we believe Terra Classic Coin can hit even over 5,000 to 10,000%. That simply means Terra Classic Coin might be hitting at least 1 penny, 1 cent. Now, Binance have been burning a lot of coins of Terra Classic, and I believe this year is going to be one of the best years for this coin. Coinbase coming in to list this coin, I believe that will definitely help this coin to massively increase in price. Now, remember that Coinbase have actually listed this coin before. It was because of the crash of Terra Classic that even some crypto exchanges decided to remove Terra Classic Coin from their platform. Now, this year, I believe very soon we might be seeing Coinbase coming in, Coinbase listing and also supporting Terra Classic bond. This is going to be one of the best years for crypto industry and also for Terra Classic holders. Let's hope to see Coinbase partner list this coin before the end of the year, and I believe this coin is definitely going to make its holders a lot of money. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.